So finally, the class on a class 12 chapter, that is area bounded by the region, and this class is going to be absolutely for the class 12 ISC 2027 board aspirants. So without speaking so much of, I am giving the question on the screen and at the same time I am writing on the board. See the question: draw a rough sketch of the graph y equals to x square minus 5x plus 6, and also find the area bounded by the region of the curve and the x-axis. So how to solve this kind of sums? Given y equals to x square minus 5x plus 6, which means this particular equation is representing a circle or a parabola or hyperbola or ellipse. How you can understand? First you need to go with the elimination process. What is that eliminations? That remove. That means which one cannot fit with this equation? Ellipse, hyperbola, circle. All they involve x square and y square. Both the variables are with square format, y square and x square. But here we are finding y is there and only x square is present, or you are finding x is there and y related term with y square. So x equals to y means x equals to y square minus 5y plus 6. This also could be the question. So whether it is y equals to x square minus 5x plus 6 or x equals to y square minus 5y plus 6. Whatever the situation, that means here x square and y square are not involved. That means only it is x square given. So try to bring a perfect square format. So what you can write: x square minus 2 dot x dot 5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 whole square. What we have done, they got 2 cut off minus 5x and x square. So this 5 by 2 whole square, it was not there. So we can write that this is minus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2 whole square, and plus 6 is there, so plus 6. So easily this part is the perfect square format we are getting, that is x minus 5 by 2 whole square and minus 25 by 4 plus 6, that is minus 24 plus minus 25 plus 24, that is minus 1 by 4, minus 1 by 4. So this is y equals to, we are writing this. Now put it into the format of, that means we can write this same also, y equals to 1 dot x minus 5 by 2 whole square plus minus 1 by 4. Now comparing the given equation with y equals to x minus y equals to a under bracket x minus h whole square plus k. Comparing the given equation with y equals to a x minus h whole square plus k. What is this here? A is nothing but the coefficient of x square term, that is x minus h whole square. Coefficient of x minus h whole square is a. What is h and k? H and a, k is the vertex. So what is that vertex of a parabola? Vertex of the parabola is nothing but the turning point of the parabola. We have a greater than 0 and vertex h comma k. H is what? Now 5 by 2 comma k is minus 1 by 4. So now this vertex, that turning point of the parabola, to understand this turning point of the parabola, let us draw the graph. See the graph. You can see this. Now vertex is 5 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. That means this is, if I, this is 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, and this side is also minus 1, and it will go this way. So let us see this in this graph. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 1, 2. That is 5 by 2 means this position. This position. That means if this is, we can say 5 by 2. But where it is coming, this 5 by 2, this is 5 by 2 and minus 1 by 4. So if this is char part, if I make, that means suppose this is that half portion and this. So this is the situation. This is the situation. And this point is minus 5 by 2 comma minus 1 by 4. Okay, I hope this is clear. Now this should be the turning point. Now question arises that this parabola should cut the x-axis, and we have also to determine whether it is intersecting the y-axis or not. Then only we can get a complete sense of the graph. So how to understand that at which point this particular graph is intersecting the x-axis? As we know, on x-axis y equals to 0. As we know, on x-axis y equals to 0. Therefore, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. X square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. If we solve it, what we can get? Now, x square minus 3x minus 2x, because 3 2 is 6, and plus 6 equals to 0. Further solution, x common, x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Further solution, x minus 3 common and x minus 2 equals to 0. So either x equals to 3 or x equals to 2. So easily we can understand it is at 3, means the one point will be, suppose 1, 2, 3. So one point will be 3, 0. 3, 0, because on y, on x-axis y equals to 0, and another point, this is this point, this is 3, 0, and this is 2, 0. Okay, so this is the vertex. Similarly on y-axis, x equals to 0. So if x equals to 0, y equals to what? 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 6, that is y equals to 6. It denotes y equals to 6. That means the point will be 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 0, 6, we can say. So let us see. Draw it, freehand diagram. See the graph. This is that upward parabola. Is that clear? This is the upward parabola. Now we have to find the area bounded by the region of the curve and the x-axis. That means this, we need to find out this region area. This region area is required, but if it is said in the question, that means draw a rough sketch of the graph y equals to x square minus 5x plus 6. That's done. Now also find the area bounded by the region of the curve and the axis. Axis means the plural form of axis. That means both x-axis and y-axis. In that case, mind it, our bounded region would be this part. But we have to find out only this region. Suppose this region area we need to find out. Then what to do, you know? We need to do like that integration of that full function of x dx, mod of function of x dx. Why? Modulus area must be positive. And this would be, that means here it is 2, here it is we are getting that 2 and this is 0. This is x-axis is 0 and this is 2. So easily, that means whenever we are finding this one on the x-axis only we should consider. That means on here the point we are getting. So only this region we are finding this is 2 and this is 0. So 0 to 2 we have to find out and we could get this area. But for this one specifically this one how to get that this area, therefore required area, write down the required area, integration of definite integral, this is 3, this is 2, and mod of this is x square minus 5x plus 6 dx modulus. To find out, so what we can get, here it is x square means integration of x square, x cube by 3 minus 5x square by 2 plus 6x. So mod of, and this finally this should be 3 here, and now we have to put the value here. How to find out? Graph you can see as there is no space, so I am writing here, but in the exam hall don't write this way, because as there is no space, so I am doing here, I am showing here, because I need to complete without erasing anything. I want to complete it here. So x cube, so that means 3 cube is 27 by 3, that is 9, we can say 9, because 27 by 3 9 minus 3 square 9, 9 5 are 45 by 2 plus, here we are finding 6 3 are 18, and always minus sign give, because this value also we are putting 2 cube by 8, that is 8 by 3 minus 2 square 4, 2 2 are 4, 5 2 are 10 plus 6 2 are 12, these and this one. This is next, what you can tell, this 9 plus 18 27, 27 minus 45 by 2, 27 2 are 54, 54 minus 45 9, 9 by 2, so 9 by 2 minus 10 plus 2 12, that is 2, so plus 2, 8 by 3 plus 2, 3 2 are 6, 6 plus 8 14, so 14 by 3. Ultimately what we are getting? Now 3 2 are 6 LCM, so 3 9 are 27, 14 2 are 28, that is minus 1 by 6 equals to only 1 by 6 square unit. And this is the required area. This is the required area of the region of the curve and the x-axis. Now, if it is said, that means no, you have to find out this region of the, that is the region of the curve and the axis means x-axis and y-axis. In that case, this one, and 0, that means lower limit 0 and here upper limit 2 we would get, and easily we can find out the area. I hope you understood this sum clearly, and in our next class we will try to show this area bounded by the region related problems. So for the day, bye bye.